When it comes to enhancing the beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency of your home, one of the most impactful changes you can make is replacing your windows. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current one, selecting the right window style is crucial. In Washington, where the architecture varies from historic homes to modern builds, choosing the best window style for your residential property can make all the difference. In this article, we'll explore the top window styles that work well for residential properties in Washington, considering factors such as aesthetic appeal, functionality, and energy efficiency. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are one of the most popular window styles for residential properties in Washington, thanks to their timeless appeal and practicality. They are characterized by two vertical sashes, one at the top and one at the bottom, that can be opened or closed independently. Classic and versatile. Double-hung windows blend seamlessly with both traditional and contemporary homes. Their simple design makes them a versatile option for various architectural styles, from colonial to modern. Easy to maintain. The ability to tilt both sashes inward makes cleaning the exterior of the window much easier, which is especially important in Washington, where rain and wind can leave windows looking dirty. Energy efficiency. Modern double-hung windows are designed with energy-efficient features like low E coatings and double or triple glazing to help keep your home's temperature stable year-round. Double-hung windows are a reliable and classic choice for homeowners looking for beauty, convenience, and functionality. Casement windows. For homes that need better ventilation, casement windows are a top choice. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward, like a door, usually operated by a crank handle. Maximized airflow. Casement windows offer excellent ventilation and airflow, making them ideal for areas of your home that need better air circulation, like kitchens and bathrooms. Modern look. With their clean lines and simple design, casement windows add a modern, streamlined look to your home. They can also be customized with energy-efficient glass to keep your home comfortable throughout the year. Increased security. Because casement windows open outward, they're harder to break into compared to other window styles. This added security makes them a great option for ground-level windows. Casement windows offer a balance of ventilation, security, and modern appeal, making them an excellent choice for any Washington home. Bay and bow windows. For homeowners looking to make a bold statement and add extra space to their interior, bay windows and bow windows are perfect options. These windows extend outward from the home, creating a larger area inside and enhancing your home's exterior. Spacious interior. Bay and bow windows create a cozy alcove in your living space, perfect for reading nooks, plants, or additional seating. This makes them particularly suitable for areas like the living room or dining room. Stunning views. These windows are ideal for homes with scenic views, allowing you to enjoy more natural light and wider vistas. If you live in a neighborhood with beautiful landscapes or views of Washington's parks, a bay or bow window can enhance your connection to the outdoors. Elegant design. Bay and bow windows are often considered luxurious, adding an elegant and sophisticated touch to the facade of your home. While bay and bow windows can be a larger investment, their added space, curb appeal, and stunning views make them a great option for homeowners looking to make an impact. Sliding window. Sliding windows are another popular choice for residential homes in Washington, particularly for homes with limited space. These windows operate by sliding horizontally along a track, which allows for easy opening and closing. Space saving. Because they don't open outward, sliding windows are perfect for areas where you need to save space, such as patios, balconies, or rooms with furniture near the windows. Low maintenance. With fewer moving parts than other window styles, sliding windows are easy to maintain. They don't require frequent cleaning of both sides, and their smooth, quiet operation makes them low maintenance. Good ventilation. Sliding windows can open wide to let in fresh air, making them an excellent option for rooms where you want ventilation but don't need a window that swings open. Sliding windows are practical, easy to maintain, and perfect for homes with limited space. They offer a simple, clean aesthetic that suits modern or contemporary homes in Washington. Picture windows. If you're looking for large windows that let in natural light and highlight your views, picture windows are an excellent choice. These windows are fixed and don't open, providing a wide, unobstructed view of the outdoors. Maximize natural light. Picture windows allow for a lot of sunlight to enter your home, making your rooms feel brighter and more open. They're great for areas like the living room, where you can enjoy scenic views. Energy efficient. Modern picture windows are available with double or triple glazing and low E glass, offering excellent insulation and reducing heat loss. These energy-efficient features are especially beneficial in Washington's varying climate, where energy costs can add up quickly. Elegant look. Picture windows can enhance the architectural design of your home, giving it a sleek, contemporary look. They work well in both traditional and modern homes, making them a versatile option for many homeowners. Picture windows are ideal for bringing in natural light, creating a bright, airy atmosphere, and framing beautiful views, all while offering energy efficiency. Custom windows. In addition to the standard window styles, custom windows offer flexibility and the ability to tailor your windows to your specific needs. Whether you need unique shapes, sizes, or designs, custom windows can be crafted to fit your home's exact specifications. Tailored designs. Custom windows allow you to personalize the look and function of your windows, from curved windows for a unique architectural feature to oversized windows that let in more light. Perfect fit. Custom windows can be designed to match the exact dimensions of your home, making them ideal for irregular spaces or historic homes where standard windows may not fit. Custom windows are a great option for homeowners who want a unique, personalized touch to their home's design. Conclusion: choosing the best window style for your residential property in Washington depends on your specific needs, preferences, and the style of your home. Whether you opt for classic double-hung windows, modern casement windows, or elegant bay windows, each window style offers unique benefits, from improved energy efficiency to enhanced curb appeal. By working with a professional window installation company, you can select the perfect window style that not only complements your home's design but also improves its comfort, security, and value.